A dark office. A person sits in front of a computer. On the screen, the text automating tasks slowly appears. Camera zooms out gradually, revealing floating logos and interfaces of ChatGPT-5. Sora and Bro AI around the person. Cut to close-ups of AI tools in action. ChatGPT-5 automatically generating a report. Pika editing a video timeline. Sora rendering a high-quality advertisement. Fast, smooth transitions between tools. Dim background. Text labels appear and disappear with red warning icons. Content writer, video editor, translator, call center agent. Each fades out with a glitch effect. Background brightens. New job titles appear with green glow. AI trainer, ethics designer, creative strategist. Show visuals of humans working collaboratively with AI. Handshakes, digital brainstorming. Black screen. A blinking message appears in bold text. The real danger in the AI era is not being prepared. Text pulses or flickers for emphasis. Cut back to the person from scene 1, now facing the camera. On-screen text appears in center. Is AI your threat or your opportunity? Solid black background. Subscribe and like buttons flash at the center of the screen. In the corner, small text 2025 the AI era.